हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल के टॉप एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन यू इंसर्ट एन एक्सेल फाइल इनटू अ वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स द डेटा आर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस बी, placed in a word table. Next question, macro are run or executed from the dash dash menu. Right answer is options C, tool. Next question, which types of chart can Excel produce? Right answer is options B, bar chart, line graph and pie chart. Next question, how are data organized in a spreadsheet? Right answer is options D, row and column. Next question, a function inside another function is called a dash dash function. Right answer is options A, nested. Next question, which of the following methods cannot be used to enter data in a cell? Right answer is option C, pressing the escape key. Next question, which of the following methods cannot be used to edit the contents of cell? Right answer is options A, pressing the Alt key. Next question, to insert three columns between column D and E, you would. Right answer is options B. Next question, which of the following is not a basic steps in creating a worksheet? Right answer is option C, copy the worksheet. Next question, you can edit existing Excel's data by pressing the. Right answer is options B, F2 key. Next question, when you insert an Excel file into a Word document, the data are. Right answer is options B, linked. Next question, what is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer is options D, cell. Next question, what types of chart is useful for comparing value or categorize? Right answer is options B, column chart. Next question, which functions in Excel tells how many numerics entires are there? Right answer is option C, count. Next question, statistical calculations and preparations of tables and graph can be done using. Right answer is options B, Excel. Next question, which one is not a function in MS Excel? Right answer is options A, average. Next question, functions in MS Excel must be with dash dash. Right answer is options A, an equal sign. Next question, which functions in Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? Right answer is options D, if. Next question, what types of chart is useful for showing trends or change over time? Right answer is option C, line chart. Next question, the process of arranging the items of a columns in some sequence or order is known as. Right answer is option C. Next question, The dash dash features of MS Excel quickly complete a series of data. Right answer is options B, autofill. Next question. What type of chart is useful for comparing part of a whole? Right answer is options A, pie chart. Next question. What types of chart is good for single series of data? Right answer is option C, pie chart. Next question. The basics units of a worksheet into which you enters data in Excel is called a. Right answer is options A, cell.